I've seen a lot of debate over who's actually winning the Olympic medal count, and that's because there's so many different ways to count the medals, and a lot of them counts don't include a weighted average. But the great thing about knowing how to use spreadsheets is I can just build a counter myself, and that includes a weighted option. There's a full tutorial if you want to see everything at once, but here's a real-life example on how to use the replace formula. Like for example, we have a country that looks a little bit off, and that's because it's having the 3 digits of the icon name mixed with the actual country name itself. So the first thing we want to do is get rid of those 3 digits. So over here in column G, I'm going to type in country. I'm going to type equals replace, select the country, put a comma, 1, comma, 3, comma, blank. And what this will do is it will start with the first character in the text and then go 3 over, and it will replace that section of the text with whatever we tell it to. So we're telling it with a blank. If I were to type new instead, it would replace that first 3 lines with new, but we want it to be blank, that way it's just the full country name. Now I'm going to go ahead and extend that formula down to the rest of the rows, so that way we have just the list of countries. So that's how to use the replace formula. If you like this video, follow Sheets by Olin for more.